Welcome to the spoken tutorial on sequence data types. In this tutorial, we will learn about sequence data types such as list, string, and tuple. Accessing the above data types using index, convert list to tuple and vice versa, and convert string to list and vice versa. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 16.04 operating system, Python 3.4.3 and IPython 5.1.0. To practice this tutorial, you should know how to run basic Python commands on the IPython console. If not, see the relevant Python tutorials on this website. Sequence data types are those in which elements are kept in a sequential order. The elements are accessed using index numbers. The sequence data types in Python are list, string, and tuple. First, let us understand what is list. List is a container that holds a number of objects in the given order. For example, num_list is equal to inside square brackets 1, 2, 3, 4. A list can store data of any type. List is most useful when storing data of identical type. Examples: name of books in a library and passengers on a flight. Let us start IPython 3 Pylab. Open the terminal. Type IPython 3 space --pylab and press enter. From here onwards, remember to press the enter key after typing every command on the terminal. Now we will create our first list. Type num_list is equal to inside square brackets 1, 2, 3, 4. Type num_list. Comma separated items enclosed in square brackets constitute a list. We can also have a list something like this. Type var_list is equal to inside square brackets 1, 1.2, inside square brackets 1, 2. Type var_list. Now let us look at another sequence data type, strings. Type greeting_string is equal to inside double quotes hello. Type greeting_string. It is now a string variable with the value hello. Python strings can actually be defined in three different ways as follows. K is equal to inside single quotes, single quote. L is equal to inside double quotes. Let's see how to include a single quote. M is equal to inside triple quotes. This is another example for string. Here, single, double, and triple quotes are used as delimiters. The last in the list of sequence data types is tuple. Type person_tuple is equal to inside brackets 17, inside double quotes ram, 56.8. This tuple contains age, name, and weight of a person. To create a tuple, we use normal brackets unlike square brackets for list. Next, let us see how to access the list using index numbers. Type num_list inside square brackets 2. Num_list inside square brackets -1. Recall that the index of the elements starts with 0 instead of 1. Now let us access the string elements. Type greeting_string inside square brackets 1. Greeting_string inside square brackets 3. Greeting_string inside square brackets -2. We can see that the output is displayed as per the index value. Next, let us access tuple elements. Type person_tuple inside square brackets 2. Person underscore tuple inside square brackets -3. The output shows the weight and age of the person as per the index value. Next, we will see about how to add sequences. Type num underscore list plus where underscore list. Addition gives a new sequence containing both the sequences. Likewise, we will do for string data type. Type a underscore string is equal to inside double quotes space another string. Greeting underscore string plus a underscore string. We can see that both the strings are added now. Next, we will see for tuple. Type t2 is equal to inside brackets inside double quotes student comma. Adding a comma after student is important to make t2 a tuple. Type person underscore tuple plus t2. Now we can see that student is added to the tuple. Next, let us see how to find the length of a variable. We use len function for that. Type len inside brackets num underscore list. The output shows the number of objects of the list. Type len inside brackets greeting underscore string. Len inside brackets person underscore tuple. Next, we will learn to check the presence of an element using the in keyword. Type 3 in num underscore list. Inside single quotes h in greeting underscore string. Inside double quotes Sita in person underscore tuple. We can see that the output displays true and false accordingly. Next, we will find the maximum and minimum values. We use max function to find the maximum value. Type max inside brackets num underscore list. The min function is used to find minimum value. Type min inside brackets greeting underscore string. For string data type, ASCII value is used to get the maximum and minimum values. Next, we will find the sum of a list. Type sum inside brackets num underscore list. So far, we have talked about many similar features of list, string and tuple. But there are many important features in list that differs from string and tuple. Let us see them using some examples. Type num underscore list inside square brackets 1 is equal to 9. Num underscore list. Here the value at index 1 is assigned to 9. Type greeting underscore string inside square brackets 1 is equal to inside single quotes k. The first command executes without a problem. But there is an error in the second one. Now let us try it in tuple. Type person underscore tuple inside square brackets 0 is equal to 23. We can see the same error again. This is because strings and tuples cannot change the value at a particular index. But we can convert list to tuple and tuple to list. First, let us learn to convert list to tuple. Type as shown. T is equal to tuple inside brackets list underscore tuple. Tuple function converts the list to tuple. Type T. Now the list is successfully converted to tuple. Next, let us learn to convert tuple to list. Type as shown. Type L is equal to list inside brackets tuple underscore list. List function converts the tuple to list. Type L. Now the tuple is successfully converted to list. Next, let us learn to convert string to list and list to string. Let us say we have the following string. Type other string dot split inside brackets inside single quotes, comma. This produces a list with the string split at comma. Join function does the opposite. It joins a list to make a string. Let us say we have the following list. Type inside single quotes, comma, dot, join inside brackets other list. Thus, we get a list joined on commas. Similarly, we can do on spaces. Type as shown. Note that the list has to be a list of strings to apply join operation. Type inside single quotes space dot join inside brackets space string. We can see that the list is joined on spaces. Pause the video. Try this exercise and then resume the video. Check if 3 is an element of the following list. Change the third element in the list to 21. Switch to the terminal for the solution. Type L is equal to inside square brackets 1, 7, 5, 3, 4. 3 in L. The output is true, so the element 3 is in the list. Type L inside square brackets 3 is equal to 21. Type L. We can see that the element 3 is changed to 21. Pause the video. Try this exercise and then resume the video. Convert the string Elizabeth is Queen of England to Elizabeth is Queen. Switch to the terminal for the solution. Type S is equal to inside double quotes Elizabeth is Queen of England. S temp is equal to S dot split open and close brackets. S is equal to inside single quotes space dot join inside brackets S temp inside square brackets colon 3. Type yes. We got the required output. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. In this tutorial, we have learned to use the sequence data types such as list, string, and tuple, split and join a list using split and join functions respectively, convert list to tuple and vice versa, convert string to tuple and vice versa. Here are some self-assessment questions for you to solve. First, what is the major difference between tuple and list? Second, split the below string on white spaces. And the answers? First, the major difference between tuple and list is that tuple cannot change the value at a particular index, but list can change the value. Tuple is used to store data related to an item, but list is typically used to store items of identical type. Second, to split the string on white space, we use the split function without any argument. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Please post your general queries on Python in this forum. FOSSEE team coordinates the TBC project. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT MHRD Government of India. For more details, visit this website. This is Priya from IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for watching.